iPhone 4 screen repair by iPhoneirepair.com. We would need a special screwdriver for iPhone, the flip screwdriver, SIM card remover, and a flathead screwdriver. Okay. First, we want to start off by removing the SIM card from the iPhone. Once you have removed that, make sure your iPhone is turned off for this process. Okay. Now we want to take out the two screws on the bottom of the iPhone. Now slide the back gently up and you can take out the back of it. Now we're going to take off the one screw that's holding the battery. Once that screw is removed, with your flat screwdriver, you want to gently lift up the connector. Once the connector is lifted up, you can just grab the ribbon and pull the battery out. The battery is glued around, so it might give you some trouble taking it out. Now, we want to take out the vibrate. Taking out these two. Next thing, there's a cover with 5 screws. We're going to take this cover out and the screws. The longer screw is your Wi-Fi, so you would want to make sure that you put this back exactly where it was. It connects your Wi-Fi all together. And the last one. Once we have taken that out, with your flat screwdriver, you want to lift the connector out and just remove this whole piece. There are 2 screws holding the dock connector, so you would want to move the 2 screws over here. Once these 2 screws are down, we have one more screw over here. It is a flat screw, so you want to use your flat screwdriver to take it out. Once that screw is out, we want to pop off all the connections. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connections, so you want to gently remove these connectors. This is the lock for it. Once you have lifted all the connectors, your camera should come out, because the camera is only connected with a connector on the board. Once you have taken that, we want to remove the antenna. This is your antenna, so you want to gently put a flat screwdriver underneath and lift it up. Once the antenna is taken out, unplugged from the motherboard, there are 2 screws for the dock. You would want to take these out. Taken out. Once this is taken out, you would want to move the bottom piece by gently lifting it up and out. For the motherboard, there's one small screw over here. It might have a white seal on it, so be careful. You might have to take the white seal. Once you've taken the white seal out, you gently want to take out the screw, and once you've taken out the screw for all the screws for the board, you would want to lift up the board, and so when it's left, there are connectors that are still kind of holding it, so you want to just take them down a notch and take out the motherboard. Once you've taken out the motherboard, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exactly 5 over here. 1, 3, 4, and 5 screws that you need to take out in order to take out the LCD from a digitizer. So I'm going to start that process by now the 5's over here. Alright. Once you've taken all the screws that's holding the LCD and digitizer, with your flat screwdriver, you want to put the flat screwdriver underneath the frame and the glass and just gently go around the phone. At this point, we just want to go around it so we can remove the tape that's holding it. Now, from the top, you will want to put this flat screwdriver underneath the glass and just gently move up until the glass and the frame separate from each other. Once they're separated, you want to do the exact same thing to the bottom of the glass. Once this is separated, these are the two connectors that were for LCD and a digitizer. We would want to remove this carefully and install your new LCD and digitizer. For your parts and accessories, refer to iPhoneIRepair.com. Thank you.